Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis, and today we're going to plant the Aerogarden. And I have decided to do lettuces again. We had lettuce in it last time. They did wonderful, so we're going to do it again. Now I ordered this kit from Amazon. It included 50 of the sponges, 12 of these, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if they have a name. Baskets. Grow baskets. It includes 50 labels, and it included 12 of these little domes, and it included tweezers. So the first thing it said to do was to soak the sponge just for 10 to 15 minutes in warm water, which I have done. So we're going to take the sponge and we're going to put it into the grow basket. Just simple like that. Just make sure it's kind of centered. Pop it in there, push it down to the bottom, and put it back into your basket, into your Aerogarden. So we're going to do that with each one of these. You don't even have to take them out of the thing, just pop them in. Now it says if you're using large seeds to soak the seeds for 2 to 12 hours. Depends on the size of the seed. But we're using little lettuce seeds and spinach seeds, so I'm not going to soak them. I'm going to use, oh gosh, what am I going to do? I'm going to do space hybrid spinach, Bloomingdale long-standing spinach, a Bib lettuce. Going to try black-seeded Simpson again, even though it didn't work out too well last time. Red velvet and salad bow. So, very simply, take your seeds. So 1 or 2 per basket, and there's a little hole in the middle of the sponge. Just drop a seed into that hole. That's all you have to do. And so 1 or 2 seeds, depending on how many you want. We're going to do 2, since these are older seeds and I'm not for sure how they're going to do. And I do mine, usually I try to do it in alphabetical order, so this has to be around. So I put my Bloomingdale in first, and then the space lettuce. The bigger seeds, I'm going to drop those in too. 1. Oops. I don't know where that one went. 2. They're flying somewhere. Alright, after you get those in, they recommend that you put a little bit of water, just a drip or 2 water across the top. And then you put a grow dome on top of it. Now that grow dome, oh, I forgot. Dry it off really well. And put one of these labels. Now the reason they give you the labels is because it doesn't tell you what's in it or anything. But what it does is it helps prevent the seed from getting the sponge from getting mildew and stuff. And then you put the cap on top of it. And then when you get them all done with this, you go in here and you hit the menu until you find where it says start a garden. You hit that. Select plant type. Salads. Okay, that's what we're going to be using. So we set that. And it's set. It will says it's 0 days. We just started, and in 14 days we'll be adding plant food. So that is all there is to it right now. I can lower this light and push it over to the side. Finish putting the rest of the seeds in. And that is how easy it is to start your seeds in the Aerogarden. So hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Dream big. Follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.